Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a little different. I'm definitely being very vulnerable and we're gonna get a little personal here, but I'm gonna be sharing with you my acne journey. So I used to have really bad acne this past summer and it was, girl, I'm gonna show you before and after videos and photos of my skin and how I went from bumps all over my face, cystic acne, to literally having no pimples. So I'm going to show you what I did, my steps, and how I cured my skin. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to like this video, and let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so guys, don't judge me. Please don't judge me when I show you the pictures and all that kind of stuff. It's just like, it's very personal and it's embarrassing. Like, I find it embarrassing, like, these pictures of me, but like that girl is like, that's not me anymore. Like, this is me, fresh faced, glowing, you know. But just don't judge me, okay? Like, let's just be real. Let's be one-to-one, you know what I mean? Like, I just want to be as real and help you guys if you're also dealing with skin problems as well, because I literally tried everything under the sun to just help my skin. So let me give you a little backstory. So there's like, acne does not run in my family. Like, my mom or my dad don't really deal with acne. Like, my mom never dealt with acne. Acne does not run in our skin, or does not run in our family. It's not genetic or anything like that. Of course, my mom got pimples here and there. Of course, I do. I used to get pimples here and there before like my acne flared up. I used to get pimples here and there, but nothing as bad as like what I had. So it was the summer of 2017, so this past summer, right after I graduated from high school, that is when my pimples were just terrible. It hurt too, like I had cystic acne like all on my forehead. All of summer I dealt with acne and I was so insecure to go out. I was so insecure to like go to the beach and not wear any makeup. Like, I had to wear makeup everywhere I went, and I didn't want to wear makeup. It was summer, it was hot, I don't want a cake on my face, like, but I had to because I was so insecure of like not wearing makeup out in public. So what I did is I had enough and I was just like, you know what, I'm trying to cure this myself. I'm not going to. Nothing is working out for me. None of my acne is going away. I went to the dermatologist. I think that is really important. If you have not gone to the dermatologist, I highly suggest going to the dermatologist because you could get a professional's perspective, professional's opinion about your skin and what's going on. So I basically went to the dermatologist. He looked at my skin. I thought they were gonna like do stuff to me. I thought they were gonna like poke stuff. I thought they were gonna give me a facial or something. I don't know. But he literally did nothing. He walked in, looked at my skin, prescribed me medicine, and that was it. After that visit, my acne slowly and surely started getting better. I'm gonna show you the products that I use because I still use these products. I think I started using these in August, and since August, like, my skin has literally 360 turned. Like, insane. Like, I'm like, wow. Literally, look at that. Like, I have no pimples. Please don't mind, like, don't mind me. I look ugly right now. Just got out of the shower. Pimples who? I couldn't believe that my skin is like how it is now. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna show you the products. So the dermatologist prescribed me 3 products. First, birth control. And I know what you're thinking, that's super personal and all that kind of stuff. What birth control is, honestly, I don't really know scientifically what it is, but basically it just has like a lot of estrogen, and us women, we produce estrogen, while men, they naturally produce testosterone, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's just really good for me, especially with my skin, to take birth control because it just boosts up my estrogen. I don't know what type of acne I had. I don't know if it was hormonal acne. I don't know if it was what I was eating. I don't know if I was stressed or anything like that. I would stop drinking cheese, stop drinking dairy because I heard that dairy was like really bad for your skin. Still nothing happened. So yeah, I don't know what it was. I think it was hormonal acne, no idea. But after I started taking the birth control, my skin totally changed. No more pimples at all. Of course, I get pimples here and there when I'm on my period, but I think that's kind of like every girl. These are also 2 topical acne medications. Again, everyone's skin is different. I feel like there's no same skin. I don't know if these will work for you, but yeah, they're really hard names. I'll put them in the title, but they're both topical. So this is like a lotion kind of cream where I just put it on the spots where I had acne, and then this was like a liquid. So I put it on like a cotton ball and press it on to where I had the acne. So yeah, these were the two medicines that the doctor prescribed. Now I'm going to talk about products that you guys can get out in the store, out at Target. So I totally changed my skincare routine. Like I used to use like facial scrubs, I used to use masks, like I tried everything. Don't. Honestly, first step, keep your skincare routine so basic. Super basic, and only use a few products. When I take off my makeup, I use these Neutrogena makeup wipes. They're the blue kind. I've been using these forever, and I don't think I'll ever change because I'm just really paranoid and really scared to like change up my skincare routine and try new things for my skin. Literally stick to these products only. But yeah, I use these to take off my makeup. And then to take off the excess makeup, I use this baby oil from Target. It's aloe with vitamin E. I don't know, one day during the summer, I was just like, what if I put this all over my face? I'm naturally very oily, and if you put oil on oily skin, it kind of cancels it out. Your skin is probably, if your skin is very oily, that means that it's lacking oil, you know what I mean? So if you put oil on top of oil, it will neutralize it. Little tip there. But yeah, so I was just like, let me put it on. I slept on it. The next day I woke up and my skin was just like, it like improved. Like nothing looked swollen, nothing was inflamed. I was just like, oh my god, I'm using this for the rest of my life. With just little cotton balls, as you can see, I'm running out. And I just go over it with my mascara, go over it my whole face. And then to take it off, I just go over it with a clean cotton ball and just wipe off the excess oil. And then to top it off, I use this moisturizer in the morning and at night. This is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. It just comes like this. You could get this at Target. I've seen this at Target. I got this at my doctor's office. But yeah, I've been using this since summer and it's still a lot left. And I don't dip in with my finger because I would hate to like put germs in here. So I dip in with just a little Q-tip and I dot it around my face. I'm gonna get into more tips and tricks and stuff that I learned along the way with dealing with acne and trying to clear it. So the second tip I want to give you guys is to regularly wash your pillowcases and your makeup or any other item that you put on your face a lot. I was trying to think of other stuff, but I couldn't. I could only think of pillowcases and makeup brushes. Those could be a factor in why you're getting acne and stuff like that. Yeah, it's really good to clean your pillowcases because you sleep on there every night, you sweat in the middle of the night, so I don't know, that could be a cause. And also your makeup brushes, since it's always touching your face, you don't want to spread even more pimples around your face, so it's really good to clean those items. Next thing is, this is crazy, but going out in the sun. Literally, tanning in the sun helped my skin so much. I don't know how, I don't know why. I mean, vitamin D, I don't know, but I don't know, some chemical reaction happened. But being in the sun or going to the beach and like swimming in the salt water, like that really helped my skin. Swimming in my pool with chlorine, I don't know if that's like good for your skin, but that definitely helped my skin a lot. But being outdoors and letting the sun just hit your face with no makeup on, just fresh face, helped a lot. Don't touch your face with your hands. Your hands has so much germs, so much bacteria that you could be getting on your face. Like when I'm in the shower, I don't like scrub my face with anything. I don't use any facial cleansers. I don't use anything. I literally just let the water hit my face, and I don't like take my hands and like wash my face. I don't. If I do wash my face in the sink, then I just like with my fingertips just like go over my face. You know, like I try to very rarely, I try to minimize the amount of times that I touch my face. Last tip that I have for you is that after you sweat, immediately take a shower. Like if you're at the gym and you come home, don't like sit around, don't like wait around, because that sweat just stays on your skin and it's just not good. So it's better to like after you go to the gym, come back home, take a shower, and then start making food and then start cleaning stuff. You know what I mean? Just don't like sit in your sweat. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I really hope it was informative. If you have any other questions, concerns, complaints, I don't know what you want to do. If you just want to contact me, all my social medias are down below. You can comment under this video if you want. I always comment back. If you just want something more private, just a one-on-one conversation, DM me, message me on any of my social medias. I will be glad to answer your guys' questions. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched it this far, subscribe, join the family, give this video a like. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one.